Well, now's a good time as any to start this vlog. Today was supposed to be part 2 of making my preparations for Death Stranding. And I woke up this morning and decided I was going to try and edit a vlog before going and getting stuff from the storage unit. And I'm doing my thing in the morning, checking my notifications, checking social media, stuff like that. And apparently opening a 4th tab on my internet browser was enough for the computer to just be like, "I'm tired, boss. I'm getting real tired." I got the whole not responding thing where it grays out the screen, and then it came back on, and I closed down 2 tabs, and I was like, okay, we'll just do 2 tabs then. And I'm just like, you know what? I've been thinking about, I was already going to ask Anthony for advice on PCs and stuff. Maybe I just need to consider actually starting to buy parts for a PC. Now, I'm not balling. I can't just drop, $3,000 on a PC. But over several months, I can buy parts for it and then put one together. Well, I'm talking to him. We're having this back and forth over parts and how much stuff costs and how to save money, get bundles, that kind of thing. And the fucking computer blue screens on me and shuts down. Like some kind of unknown error and shuts down. And I'm like, well, if this ain't a sign from the universe that I need to do a new PC today, because here's the thing. If I don't have a PC, then I can't edit these vlogs. I can't build my studio back there and film videos and edit those. I'm talking to the man that does our graphics for AllPro, and he was going to teach me some stuff once I got Photoshop on my computer. So I don't need one, but I kind of need one. So I'm talking to Anthony about getting a new computer, and apparently there's this store, a physical store in Dallas called Micro Center, and they have a whole bunch of different, but that's the current part we're at, which, god damn, this is gonna hurt. But I told him, I don't have $3,000, but if we can keep it under 2, then I can put it on credit cards and pay it off. So I think today is going to be a little bit different. I still need to get groceries, which is still going to happen. But it looks like I'm probably going to be driving to Dallas and picking up a bunch of computer parts and building a PC today. So I picked up Anthony, and we have arrived in Dallas at the Micro Center. So I'm sneaking in maybe 1 or 2 cheeky little clips, but Anthony has just discovered that this case has a touchscreen on it. How did that make you feel?
I need that.
He needs it.
I just see the screen.
He needs it, but unfortunately,
I don't need all that. I just need the case. I don't need all the stuff inside the case.
well, let's go try and find the case then.
Height Y70 screen case. How much is the case?
Height touchscreen case. I gotta work harder. This is how they advertise their cases.
Performance-wise, this is one of the higher rated boards, and you still have the extra power delivery if you went up to 99 and 50 extra.
That's the guy. You're gonna buy it, aren't you?
Probably not.
He's gonna buy it. Bro, look at this screen. So first of all, right? But it might actually be worth the price, because look at this thing. That's,
immersion.
bro, that is sick. I mean, I know it's a fisheye lens camera, but look.
No, I didn't get a number.
Bro, that is so cool.
Oh.
Now that I know this place exists, this is probably where I'm gonna get stuff from now on. And they have a slightly smaller one for half the price. That's crazy. Well, the case is in the back seat. I got 2 new monitors. Only thing I really like splurged on. Oh, that hurt. So Anthony was getting out, and the can of Monster that I bought him, didn't open it yet because it got too warm, and he somehow accidentally crushed it in the door there. So there's a bunch of sticky Monster Energy happening, and it was just spraying out. So I reached over, hit my head on the rear view mirror. There's Monster, like, it's all over my arm. And yeah. Got all the stuff we need. And we have Coda Dog. Yeah, we have Coda Dog. He looks so goofy in the fisheye.
Yeah, it's cute.
Well, that took a little while, but we have everything hooked up, and we're gonna try the initial test to make sure everything turns on properly. All the case fans and everything. Okay. Please don't blow up.